This is a module homepage. There are many just like it throughout the program. This is where you will find all of your teaching and learning content for the program, as well as student activities and the activity tracker. Let's break it down. At the top of the page is the overview. This provides a brief description of the module objectives. In most modules, you'll see a link to a Spelling Spot slideshow, which teaches a spelling concept and includes a spelling activity. Next, you'll see a 3-column layout with the headings Prepare, Resources, and Practice. Under the Prepare column, you'll find a selection of resources to help teachers prepare for their lessons. If your class has English Stars student licenses, you'll also have access to the printable activity pack here. The items in this column are available to the teacher only and will not appear in student modules. Items in the Resources column are available to teachers and students, unless otherwise indicated. See how each link in these lists has an accompanying icon? These icons denote the type of resource. For example, this icon denotes a standard text page. This icon denotes a projectable slideshow. This icon denotes a video. And this icon denotes an interactive tool or activity. Some modules are built around a certain task for students to complete rather than teaching content, and so usually only contain 1 or 2 resources. At the bottom of the page are the activities. These are independent student activities, which you can assign to students once the teaching and modelling of the concept is complete. You can lock and unlock the activities for students, go to the activity itself, see the class's progress toward completing the activities, or go to the activity tracker, which is where you can monitor student performance in the activities in real time, as well as mark any activities that require it. If there are any activities awaiting marking, then you will be notified here. If your class has English Stars student licenses, there's also a copy of the printable activity pack here, which students have access to.